clearly the line hasn't broken yet. Why do you even merge into the traffic? There's a solid line. That means you're not supposed to cross it. There's another one up there crossing the solid line. Oh, he just crossed just as the dot started. But you have the whole ramp to get over. Why bunch up? Just go down to the point and do it merge. Zipper it in. But look at all the people who don't want to allow it. They don't want to allow you in because they think you're cutting them off. You're using the ramp. Now speed up, leave plenty of room. That's it. It's that easy.